gonna show you a video of how to design your notebooks. We will use this water-based correction fluid, and we will use your boring notebooks. And we will also use pencil. Now let's get started!
First, draw your design on your notebooks, and I'm gonna draw this design like clouds there, and you're gonna paint it with your water-based correction fluid. Then, and after you're gonna paint it again until it looks like the one you draw, and yeah.
Ayos ah!
How to design your boring notebook. Zoom. The zoom. Ta-da! And right after that, maybe next week, I'm gonna teach you how to make this polka dot thing.
Pencil.
And it's really cute, and oh my gosh, I'm really obsessed with it. So yeah, so bye guys, thanks for watching.